Hi, hi, hello, hello, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good evening. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. My name is my name is. What's your name? What's your name? I'm from. I'm from. Where are you from? Where are you from? I live nearby. I live nearby. Do you live around here? Do you live around here? This is my friend. This is my friend. Have we met before? Have we met before? I don't think we've met. I don't think we've met. How are you? How are you? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. How have you been? How have you been? How's your day going? How's your day going? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? What are you up to today? What are you up to today? Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? Do you work nearby? Do you work nearby? Are you busy today? Are you busy today? It's a nice day, isn't it? It's a nice day, isn't it? The weather is great today. The weather is great today. It's really cold today. It's really cold today. It's really hot today. It's really hot today. Do you like this place? Do you like this place? What do you think of it? What do you think of it? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Are you from around here? Are you from around here? How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? That's interesting. That's interesting. Really, really. I see. I see. I understand. I understand. That sounds good. That sounds good. That's great. That's great. That's funny. That's funny. Me too. Me too. Same here. Same here. I agree. I agree. I don't know. I don't know. Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? Can you show me? Can you show me? Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? Could you write it down? Could you write it down? Can you explain that? Can you explain that? What does that mean? What does that mean? How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Is this seat free? Is this seat free? Could you move a little, please? Could you move a little, please? Could you hold this for a moment? Could you hold this for a moment? Could you open the door, please? Could you open the door, please? Could you take a picture of me? Could you take a picture of me? Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? Could you give me directions? Could you give me directions? Can you wait a moment? Can you wait a moment? Please come in. Please come in. After you. After you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Here you go. Here you go. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. You're welcome. You're welcome. No problem. No problem. My pleasure. My pleasure. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry I'm late. Sorry I'm late. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry, I didn't understand. Sorry, I didn't understand. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. It was my mistake. It was my mistake. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's okay. Take care. Take care. See you later. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. Goodbye. Goodbye.